My name is Sean Keenan, and today I will be guiding you through this session. Thank you for taking the time to do this.
It's my pleasure.
So, for this interview, I'm going to be asking your initial impressions on the prototype for my app, Destination Doylestown. Destination Doylestown is an app that works as a companion to the website doylestownborough.org, containing many of the site's core features but adapted for mobile. To help test this prototype, I'll be asking you to run through a few predetermined tasks and asking your thoughts as you go. If you don't mind, I'll be recording the session to give me refer back to later. Should only take about 10 minutes, and please give your honest thoughts. There's no wrong answer, and I will take no offense to any comments or critiques.
Okay.
And to perform these tasks, I will use that paper prototype that you have been shown.
All right.
So,
Task number 1. Let's see. Well, so
do I just start? So task number 1 is you will find, edit, and save a permit application document of your choice through the app.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is to find a PDF. Sorry, what am I looking for?
Yes, it's a permits, and so you want to find a permit,
okay,
and fill out the document that the permit shows.
Let's see. I want to go to. Let's see. That would not be what I want. Are these the PDFs, the permits?
You can use the top thing.
And then I can go through.
Different stuff.
Am I a business?
It would be the permit and inspections tab. Would be the one. That would be the name of it.
Is it in our little menu?
You missed it.
Yeah. Where I know you're close.
You were close.
Huh?
You're in business.
Oh, those type of permits, I see. And then I want a zoning permit. Is this where I would enter?
Yeah, and then you would be able to edit by clicking edit, and then it fills in.
Oh, very cool.
Save it, and then it goes, yeah. So,
nice.
All right.
See, I forgot I was a business for a moment there, but that's on me.
Navigation there was tough, but you got it. All right.
That's
right.
See,
for the second, what was it actually?
I familiarized myself with the platform first, like a good user should. You got to click through everything, see where it is.
I guess.
And then
so now you will find and pay a ticket using the app. So you'll find a pay ticket option, and then you'll open it.
As a resident who has just gotten in trouble, I would imagine that it could be under businesses. And I could also imagine that it's not there. So maybe, let's see, our town. Okay, so it's not under there. We can't search yet, but that's the future. So contact, here's our parking people. I don't want to call to pay my ticket though, so we're not going to do that. Instead, we're going to go up here to our side menu. Oh, and we can pay our ticket. And let's see, I'll pay, and I'll blur out my social security card information, number. Pay it out. Cool.
That works.
Tickets are paid. Thank you, public safety.
All right. And so for this last one, there's a part of the app that has local businesses and descriptions of them. So using the app, try to find a local business that you can find to shop from and go and find the location of.
So I want to discover a shop or discover places nearby. So I could see a map and see things like that. That's one way that I would think about doing it. It wouldn't be under our town, I don't think, but I could also go into maps, right? Maybe not yet. But here we go. We have events here. I just keep refamiliarizing myself with the thing. Open businesses, home businesses, business requests, permit zoning district. And I'm sorry, I forgot the question. What was I looking for?
A local business description for a community resident. So they're trying to find a local business to shop from versus trying to find a business service for opening their business.
So they're finding a place to shop from. So would it be under Discover?
No, it would be in the second tab.
So if we're going down here, so it would be these guys.
That's events.
Events, so it's not events I'm looking for. I'm
It's
looking
in one
for.
of those boxes.
Oh, so I would pick a.
Yeah, like shopping.
Oh, okay, I follow. So now
Yeah.
I'm looking for shopping events. I follow. So now if I then here are my local businesses and I want to buy a car,
Yeah, and then that would be the spot. That's as far as I've got.
I can go to either Ford or Jerry's Automobiles. One of these brands has a little more brand recognition than the other, but that's okay. Gonna get my brand new Ford.
All right. That's about as far as you can go in that task. So that's all of them. So
Very cool.
with all of those tasks completed, what are your overall thoughts here?
So my initial thoughts are, now that I've worked my way through the app once or twice and basically clicked through everything that I can click through, I guarantee you I could do these tasks a lot easier now because I've fully familiarized myself with the flow of the app.
Think that anything needed to be like a little clearer on like what exactly that did, or like maybe help separate the sections slightly more?
So the one thing that I was navigating towards was when I was looking from the customer side to discover a place to shop at. I think that could go really well under the Discover tab, which also gives you a map, as well as adding it to the maps under there. Or adding it to the side menu, because that hamburger menu I know is a huge feature on mobile applications, and so having a list of different options there might be useful for the user. But other than that, I really like the layout of things. It flows. All of these, once the user learns what the icons mean, they're able to easily identify what the pieces are, as well as being able to access all of the important information on the side. A couple of these bottom ones I think could fit better on the hamburger menu, but you can, most apps usually have layers of redundancy regardless, so the button will be in more than one place, and that's a good thing.
Sure. All right. Well, thank you for your time. I'll have some semblance of reward later. I'll figure that out, but
Woo! Sounds good.